Shadow run, let's do it.
Oops.
Player data.
Okay.
Profile 1, profile 2, 3.
Let's see.
Welcome to Shadowrun.
Sorry if, well. I think we need to do something else.
I see you in here.
See me in?
Yeah, you're in the house.
Okay, I'm good? Good, Dad, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I see you in the house.
Okay. Oh, no.
You won't even be in that.
Okay.
There's no way.
Let's do one. I don't even have it here. I don't even have it. Okay, where are you? Oh, you're right there? Oh, let's go. Dad, come on. Dad, are you coming?
Yeah, right behind you.
Okay, let's
Do I have to
go.
hop on that or can I block
Yeah, you
it?
have to hop on.
Oh no, I
it.
just died already.
You jumped in the hole. That is so funny.
I just what?
Click on the block below. No! I fell too. Mm. No! Is that there? Please subscribe. Like for my dad, because he's my best bud.
Oh, I got a red line.
Just no, that's very.
I went through a block. It was.
You can't. You have to click. You have to tap on it first, and then you can jump on it. You have to tap on it first. So, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Love you. You tap on it, and then you can dread.
Oh.
Tap on it. You can. Sorry, I had to help my dad. I think he's kind of back there. I'll help you. You need some help? You just tap. And you have to jump. Tap. He's got it.
Good.
He's got it.
Now what about these blocks?
Double jumps do a wall jump. Oh, that's cool.
Ah!
Oh. There. No. This is weird. No, this is so hard. This is gonna be challenging for you, Dad. Okay. I'll be right back. And I'm gonna help Dad. No. You can die. You can tap that. It's fun. Look. See? Yeah. I'm running back. You do the rest. You can quick tap when you do that. I just had to help my dad. No. No. I did. I'm so dead. I'm a bed thread. No. Dad, oh, you're still on the wall part?
Yeah, I just fell.
I could help you. I put that block there for you. Okay. Jump on the block, Dad.
Yeah,
Jump on the block.
this little red block?
Yeah. I'm tapping on it. Jump. Do a wall jump. Do a double jump.
How do you do a wall jump?
It's easy. Okay. So, red, you make it red. Remember to do a double jump. You hit it 2 times. You hit this button 2 times. We have to on a wall. Okay. Just gotta help him. Wait. Nope, there's no platform there. Go. Wait. No! No! He didn't do it yet. He was great. Jump. Oh, jump down here.
Is it safe?
Yeah. It's safe. Okay. Now, let's go. Come on, Dad. Let's go.
Where'd you
No!
go?
I jumped into the depths.
Oh, you have to hit those first?
Yes.
Oops.
This is fun. Oh, press those. No. You already pressed the invisible block.